Alright, Jake?
You're right.
Nice and dry under that umbrella.
Yeah.
I'm not, are you? Well, welcome to a bank holiday week. It was bank holiday yesterday, so it's got a bank holiday week. So the site's getting pretty busy. I think everybody's got web feet. I think should we do what to look for when you want a motorhome? Yeah? Because everybody's choice is different. It's different layouts and what people want. We'll do 2 or 3 motorhomes and we'll just show some of the different layouts and what to look for. But ideally, if you're choosing a motorhome, you've got in your head what you want. It's half the battle, but don't just keep that in your head and go and buy one. Try it first. Come round a place like us, you know, the Motorhome man. Sit in it. You know, I mean, we all our vans are locked, but we will open them for people. You can come, you can sit in it. You can pull the beds out if they're a slide-out bed. You can try it for size, and generally get one that suits you. So all our motorhomes are all priced up. We do finance with our partner Pegasus Finance. So if something's slightly out of your budget and you want to top it up, you can take finance, or if you need finance for the full amount, you can take finance for the full amount. So we'll start. Let's have a walk around first, yeah. So we're looking at coach builds, yeah, coach builds rather than camper vans. We'll do camper vans on another one, but I'll do some of the layouts on coach builds. So you see we've got a nice layout coach builds. We'll start with this end. Let's start with the auto sleeper, right? So, I mean, we know what the layout is in this because we were in it earlier on. So let's have a look at the auto sleeper. This is 2 single beds, which are very, very popular now. You know, make sure you're looking through that so you don't chop my head off. So we'll look at the auto sleeper. That's 2 single beds, very, very popular. Island beds are popular. Not so many French beds now because they're a bit awkward to make up when they're up against the wall. And then obviously you've got your end lounge, which you have to make up. So we'll have a look in the auto sleeper first. Just the umbrella on floor here. Pull the door shut so it don't get wet. Right, so here we've got a nice auto sleeper. It's got 4 belted seats. So you usually find if you've got 4 belted seats, you end up with a dinette area. So you've got your dinette area here, which will also make a double bed. So obviously then this becomes a 4 berth. So again, if you've got children or you plan on taking your grandkids away, or you just want a big roomy motorhome just for 2 of you, this is one layout. But this is a typical 4 belted seats layout. You can get 4 berths that have only got 2 seat belts, so be aware of that because you can't carry passengers. So as you can see, this will slide out, that'll slide out, table drops down, and that'll make you a double bed in here. Good sized kitchen area. Another thing to look at if you're going to do a lot of cooking in your van, you'll find if you've got something like you'll find your continental vans may not have a full size cooker, they may not have an oven and grill. They tend to cook outside. You usually find your habitation door will be on the other side as well. So obviously we know we're in a British built van. So you've got a good size area. You've got a full size cooker which you get at home, you know. The other advantage of this as well is you've got a good size fridge freezer. Yeah, so if you're touring on the continent somewhere like that, you've got plenty of cool storage. And then this is what I mean by the very popular. You've got 2 nice single beds. Once you close that door, it's nice and private. You've got your nice private bedroom. Nice and cosy, isn't it? And also the advantage of this as well is your ensuite or your end washroom. And you'll see that you've got good size, you've got a separate table here as well, and the added advantage of a separate shower. Good size separate shower. So that's one of your layouts. That's 2 single beds with a good washroom at the back. So we'll progress on. Right, so the next one we're going to look at, we'll look at this auto trail. 24 plate auto trail. We'll go and have a look at this. But we'll have to get in it. That's just that. Next one we're going to look at this Luna. Yeah?
Because that's where it is.
Getting out the rain bit. Yeah, should go so it doesn't get wet. Right, so that's what we're looking at. We're looking at a Luna. Now, again, we've got 4 belted seats. So again, you see you've got a dinette area. So this dinette area, same as the other, we'll make a double bed. Slight difference on this one. Your kitchen area, you've only got the small fridge on this. Plenty of workspace. You've got a 3-burner hob. And instead of a full-size cooker, you've got a combined oven grill. You've got your centre washroom on this, whereas your other one was an end washroom. But again, you've got a separate shower. And then the difference with this, as opposed to the 2 single beds, we've got what we call an island bed, which again are very popular because you can get around both sides of it. You've also got storage underneath. The cushions you see there are for your makeup cushions for making up your double bed in there. This is in a day position, so you've got plenty of room in here for use it as a dressing room. And then when you want to go to bed, pull it all the way out, drop that down, and then you've got a good sized double bed, which you can still get round. And the advantage of this, the same with the 2 single beds, if one of you needs to get up for the loo in the night, you're not having to climb over the other person, which you would if you had a French bed. We haven't got any French beds, otherwise I'll show you one. A French bed is, the bed is built on one side, so somebody sleeps up against the wall, so that's the difference. So this is your island bed. Again, the island bed and the single beds are very popular. So drop that back down. And that's in your day position. As you see, you've got plenty of room there now. So that is your island bed. I think what we'll do, Jake, should we have a walk over to the compound, see what we can find over there? Yeah. A different layout? Yeah? Right, Jake, still raining. We're saying about choosing a motor. I think it should be more like choosing an ark. Right. Who built the ark?
Huh?
Who built the ark?
Don't know.
Noah took all them animals on it, didn't he?
Oh.
There's no up with these young ones, I tell you. Granddad's just been trying to educate him. Right. Right, so we've done two single beds. We've done an island bed. They were both big vans. But what we're going to do now, we've got a nice little Elders Accordo here, at 135, yeah? And if you look, what does that tell you, Jake, when you look down the size of it? It's a compact, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
What we call a compact coach built. You want to have a look inside? Do a bit of paddling. You don't get your feet wet, Jake. Right, we'll go in. Right, so we're in a compact van, as you can see. Compact. Same sort of cab area you'd have as anywhere else. Again, you've got 4 seat belts, so it's not necessarily a 4-berth. This will make a small bed up, make a small bed area in this area. Probably a child single bed, something like that. So really, it's a 2-person van. Ideal for granny and granddad if they want to take one of the grandkids away with them or take them for a few days. But it's ideal because being a compact van, some people are restricted on the length of the drive for parking it in or where they're going or narrow roads, things like that. Slight difference with this is we haven't got a fixed bed. If you'd let me through there, Jake. So we haven't got a fixed bed on this one. The others on a fixed bed. With this we've got an end lounge. Yeah. So with your end lounge, lift the table off. We'll fold it up and I'll get the caps right. There we go. Put the table out of the way. So what we've got here is, we slide that across. Slide that across. Drop that there. Drop that there, and then you've got a transverse double bed. Nice easy bed makeup. So again, that keeps it a nice compact van. We've got everything we need as well on this. We've got combined oven grill. We've got 3 burner hob. Yeah. We've got the small fridge. Yeah. A 3-way fridge, so it works off gas, works off 12 volt when you're driving, and then when you're on site, electric hookup. And then instead of like the other two where we had a separate shower, we've got like a wet room. Yeah. So we've got a combined toilet shower area. Again, it's compact, it's nice, it's neat. That's one of your other options. So that's just showing you some of the options on coach built. We will do another video, we'll do one on campervans, but I think we've done one in the past anyway. But it gives you some idea of what to look for and what you might need. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, and don't forget, if you like any of these vans and you want to come and have a look at them, take it for a test drive, you want to buy one. If you can't quite afford all the full price, you can go finance, you could go full finance, or you could part finance it with our partners Pegasus Finance. So again, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll go out and get wet again, Jake.